I don't mind waiting. I can't pass the time, spend each day of mine with you on my mind. I can't draw the lines between you and I. Hold you by my side for the rest of my life. It feels like time standing still whenever I'm with you, in a field of daffodils, in